What is up, you guys? It's me, Kayla, and in this video, we're going to be creating a mega neon unicorn! You guys, if you've not checked out the video where I made a neon unicorn, go check that out right now. That was like a few months ago. And y'all, I'm like about to make a mega neon unicorn, y'all. Look, I have a luminous unicorn right here, luminous unicorn right here, luminous unicorn right here, and luminous unicorn right here. No joke, you guys. And then I do have this fire genie with that. I don't know what I'm doing with that. But I literally, you guys, I traded so much stuff for this. You guys, this is insane. Wow. I'm like, we gotta get some tea. We need to grab some tea. Yes. Yes, the tea can calm us down. So we're getting a lot of people to join the game and see this. I'm so happy. Y'all, I'm you guys remember when I was making my neon unicorn? Like, I was like super happy. I was like freaking out, and I saw what people had to offer, and they were like offering owls and a whole bunch of other stuff. Imagine people will offer for a mega neon unicorn. Mega neons just came out a few months ago, and I already have. Let's see how much I already. This is gonna be my second mega neon. Well, I like trading for mega neons, but I did make this mega neon dog all by myself. I used to have a mega neon fennec fox, but I did trade that. We do have a mega neon monkey. I traded for that. I do have a mega neon monkey. Its name is Skittles. And yeah, that's actually all my mega neons. So we're gonna have a mega neon unicorn. That's insane. Let's see if all my friends are online. Hey, Caden, join me. Oh, you guys, I'm super nervous. Oh my god. Yay, you guys. Okay. First, let's begin with some shout outs. So, the first shout out goes to Galaxy TDM. His channel is going to be linked in the description. The second shout out goes to Prism Plays. His channel will also be linked in the description. The next shout out goes to Kawaii Potato. That channel will also be linked in the description. So make sure to go subscribe to all three of those accounts. And if you want me to shout you out, make sure to just like this video and subscribe to my channel and also turn on post notifications. So, guys, let's head to the cave. Well, first we're actually going to go out in town and actually see. I came up with this experiment. See what people will trade for 4 luminous unis. Okay, I'm actually just going to trade somebody. No, let's trade her. She's a riot potion. That's actually super cool. For just 4 luminous unis. So she can actually go make her mega neon all by herself. We're going to put 4 luminous neon unis. 4 luminous neon unis for a ride potion? I'm sorry. Ooh, that's an evil unicorn. I have one too, but let's see what she has to offer. She may add a bit. I don't know. 4 luminous neon unis. I already have that. I don't want to do, I already have a fly ride. What if she accepted? That's gonna be really crazy. No, I'm sorry, but I just decided to do this kind of trade people with 4 luminous unis before making our mega and see if they offer something. Oh, she's trading me. Okay, we're gonna put her 4 luminous unis and she needs to add. Please add. You gotta add something. This is not I need maybe. I feel like this offer would be pretty good. No, not a B. No, not a B. Okay, you guys, so now that we got some trades in, we're gonna say, go to the cave if you wanna see me make a mega neon uni. Go to the cave if you wanna see me make a mega neon uni. Go to the cave. I don't even think anybody's gonna come. If you wanna see me make a mega neon uni. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and head to the cave. I don't think anybody's gonna come, really. I mean, the server is not as rich as I thought it would be. There's not a lot of people on the server. Oh, my brother's coming. Yay. Okay, let's see. I don't think anybody's here. I cannot wait, you guys. Let's go on search of unis. We have all our unis in front of us. Oh my god, I can't. Okay, she came. I can't. Kason, where are you? I'm here. I'm making my mega, and you're not here. Okay, I'm not gonna come whenever you're making any of your neons. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, more people came. Oh my god, you guys. More people are. Oh my god! More people are coming! Yay! Let's make it. Let's make it. Okay, we're gonna place our first uni. Oh my god. We placed our first uni. Oh my god. Freaking out. Okay, we're gonna place our second uni. Bubblegum, if you guys do remember her. Okay, we're gonna place our, this one. Our third one. Oh my god. Last one. Last uni. Last uni. Last. Okay, we're going to place our last uni. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mega. Woo, you guys. Oh my god, you guys, it's so cute. Oh my god. Yeah. No, I asked you to come, you never came.
Yeah, but then you said Roblox wasn't working for you.
Oh my god, you guys, look how cute it is. Oh my god, you guys, look how cute it is. This is amazing. That's what people have to offer. Like, everybody's trading me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You guys, I can't believe this. We already have a Christmas egg. Oh my gosh, we are definitely naming it Bubble Gum. Because, like, you guys know how, like, Bubble Gum has different flavors? And this is, like, changes different colors. I have a uni. She says, do I have a neon uni? I said, no, I have a uni. So, let's put this in shade. Oh my god, you guys, I'm freaking out. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. She said, what for it? She says that she wants to offer for my normal uni right here. Okay, what will she offer? Oh my god, I am freaking out. Whoa. Oh my god, look, she's neon pear. That is so cute. Oh my god, you guys. I'm so happy. You guys do not know how exciting, how happy, how joyful, amazing, how good I feel right now. I have a mega neon unicorn, you guys. If you have one of these, you would go crazy. Oh my god. Whoa. You guys, look at this. Okay, look at this. It fades from, like, yellow to green to blue to white to pink to purple. Let me show you my other mega neon. Let's actually, yeah, let's bring out my mega neon dog. Okay, this actually kind of does fade the same colors, but I feel like this one fades slower. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. That is so cool. It's so cute. Oh my god. Thank you so much for all of you who made this possible. I actually did a trade with one guy, and he gave me a neon unicorn. Thank you so much. I also, my friend, her name is, XX. Let me go ahead and show you guys her. This is XX Loving of Unicorn XX. Thank you so much. She helped me grow these. I love her. You guys, thank you so much if you helped me make this possible. Like, y'all, that feels amazing. Like, my first neon unicorn, you guys. Of course, you guys all remember that from that last video. But, y'all, and now I have a mega neon unicorn. You guys, this is insane. We're definitely naming it Bubblegum. Definitely. Oh, my God. Look. Oh, that's my friend from Jailbreak. Look. I made a mega uni. Hey. I made a mega uni. Oh my god. Yay. Okay, so Kayla, yes. Yes. Oh, hey. Both my friends from Jailbreak are here. Wow. Okay, I'll turn my request. Yeah, sure. He says he wants a pet. Okay. We can give him a B. I don't have a ninja. Okay, let's give his other friend A pet. Let's see. What other pets do I have? Will you give me a Ninja Monk? Oh my, Casey, you seen that in my video? Okay, we're gonna give him a pet. I don't know what I should give him. How about a rhino? Let's give him a rhino. Yep, a rhino, because there we go. He's like, oh my god. Okay. Y'all, look at this. It's so cute. I love it. Oh my god. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications. You guys, if you want me to, I don't even know. Y'all, I don't know if I should do a giveaway with this Mega Neon Unicorn. I don't know, because it actually really did take a long time to make. So, yeah, I will do another giveaway with a Neon Unicorn, because I do have a unicorn. I do have a full-grown unicorn right here. I could make another Neon Unicorn for you guys. I don't know. Comment down below if you want it. But thank you guys so much. It just means the world to me, guys. I mean, thank you so much. Like, you guys, I have a calendar on my phone, and on the calendar says that by June 29th, I need to have my Mega Neon Unicorn made. And look at my Mega Neon Unicorn. It's made. Thank you, you guys, so much. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for everyone who came. Thank you so much for everyone who came. Thank you so much for everyone who came. It means the world to me. It means the world to me. Oh my god, you guys, people are saying I'm the best. Thank you, you guys. Thank you, everyone. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.